Okay, so I just stumbled upon this Tinker Cookbook thing, and it's all about fine-tuning language models. Fascinating, right?
Wait, really? Fine-tuning models sounds super technical. What exactly does it allow you to do?
So the Tinker library simplifies the training process. You send API requests, and they handle the heavy lifting of distributed training.
That sounds like a game changer. But doesn't that mean you need some coding skills to get started?
Totally, you have to install their Python client and set up an API key, but that's pretty standard, right?
Yeah, I guess most developers would be familiar with that. Still, how accessible is this for beginners?
Good question. The Tinker Cookbook offers examples to guide users. It's like having a recipe book for fine-tuning models.
Ah, so it's not just technical jargon. There are concrete examples to follow, which makes it more relatable.
Exactly. They even break down components like the training client and sampling client to make it digestible.
That's nice. But are these examples really practical, or are they just theoretical?
That's a valid point. They have examples for supervised learning and reinforcement learning, so it seems practical.
Still, I wonder how effective these models really are after fine-tuning. Any data on that?
They mention improvements in reasoning and tool use, like answering math questions or using retrieval tools better.
Sounds promising. But what about potential biases that could arise during training?
A good catch. Bias is always a concern in AI. Fine-tuning can sometimes amplify existing biases.
So we have to be careful, right? Balancing performance and ethical considerations is crucial.
Exactly, it's a delicate dance. You want reliable performance without perpetuating harmful biases.
Speaking of reliability, what about the evaluation tools they provide? Do they help with that?
Yes, they include utilities for evaluation, which is essential for assessing model performance.
That's reassuring. So users can scrutinize their models and improve them iteratively.
Right, and it seems they promote community contributions, which could lead to continuous updates and improvements.
Oh, I love that. Open source projects often evolve better with community input. It's a win-win.
Absolutely, that collaborative spirit can really drive innovation, but what's the entry barrier like?
From what I gather, if you can grasp the basics of Python and APIs, you're pretty much set.
Right, and once you're familiar, it's all about experimenting with different training setups.
This makes me think of how creative people can get with AI. It's not just about using models, but customizing them.
Exactly, it's like turning a standard car into a race car. You get to tweak it to fit your needs.
And the fact that they provide various recipes means you can tackle different challenges based on your goals.
Right, they even have a recipe for math reasoning, which sounds like such a fun project.
Weight math reasoning. That's intriguing. So it rewards the model for solving math problems correctly.
Exactly, it's like giving it a treat for doing well, makes learning more engaging for the model.
This could change how educational tools use AI, right? Imagine AI tutors that actually get better at teaching.
Totally, but we should also think about the risks. What if these models start reinforcing incorrect methods?
True, that could skew the learning process. Continuous refinement and oversight are key.
Exactly, transforming these models has great potential, but ethical frameworks need to keep pace.
So in conclusion, Tinker seems to be a powerful tool, but we have to tread carefully.
Definitely, it's all about harnessing the power of AI responsibly while pushing boundaries.
I love where this conversation went. It really highlights the balance between innovation and caution.
Agreed, I'm excited to see how this evolves and what creative solutions emerge from the community.
And who knows, maybe we'll see even more collaborative projects like this in the future.
That's the beauty of open source. It creates endless opportunities for innovation and learning.
Exactly. So I'll definitely keep an eye on Tinker and the projects that come from it.
Same here, it's a thrilling time for AI development, and this is just the tip of the iceberg.